Today we're going to talk about the ASH 2025 paper on analyzing the accuracy of the exact system for precision clinical trial matching. So the challenge of trial matching is that it's difficult to match patients with all of their many attributes to the trial's many eligibility attributes. Existing trial matchers just rank the trials based on suitability for the patient. They're not actually analyzing truly are they in fact eligible. It's more ranking, and then if the doctor gold standard is within the top N, typically 5 trials, then it's considered a good match. That's not a good way to do true eligibility matching, and Exact tries to do this a different way by extracting all of the patient attributes from the trial. For follicular lymphoma, there are 84 patient attributes that are commonly used in trials, and that's what we will use to assess. So what we want to do is assess the overall accuracy. We're going to use precision, recall, and F1. Precision is how often the attributes extracted are correct. Recall is out of all the attributes implied by the unstructured text, how many of them did we get? And F1 is the harmonic mean of the two. We're also going to present the results by criteria category because there's some variability there. So we're going to take 1,291 actively recruiting interventional FL trials. That's the full universe, but we're not going to label all those. We're going to have subject matter experts label just 100 trials at random, and this gives us greater than 80% confidence interval, which should be sufficient for having faith in our numbers. Okay, so the system architecture, we'll just drill into it here. We're taking the unstructured trials. We use a trial loader, load it into the data lake. We have then fine-tuned prompts for each of the 84 follicular lymphoma patient attributes, and an extraction engine then uses large language models to take these fine-tuned prompts and extract these precise criteria and populate this master database of world trials. We can show here on the left, this is an unstructured trial with very complex criteria. You can see it here. And then it gets into this much more elegant, very clear set of criteria for the patient. Okay, so the results are quite good. Recall of 0.85, precision of 0.78, and a F1, the harmonic mean of the two, of 0.81. Generally, it's above 90% F1 recall and precision for most categories for treatment. Criteria that refer to therapies, therapy types, therapy components. The language can get more complex, and the F1 recall and precision is not quite as high, but still certainly way above random, and the resulting overall accuracy is quite, across all attributes, is quite high. Okay, so this allows us, now that we have all the patient attributes, we can have a system like Exact, and CancerBot is built on top of Exact, that allows us to determine true 100% eligibility. Is this patient truly eligible for this trial? We're adding additional cancers. We've added multiple myeloma and breast cancer. We believe this is a foundational technology for potentially many different patient organizations and foundations for many different diseases. So we are giving away Exact to be used by any of those foundations. So please give CancerBot a try and give us your feedback on it. And thanks very much for your time.